Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm back with the remaining month of November reading. This is going to be for the sign of Capricorn. So let's see what is coming up for you guys for the remaining month time. I will be adding charms, I will be pulling out oracle cards as well. So stay tuned in while I shuffle the cards. Let me remind you it's a general reading, it may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So Capricorns, let's find out what is heading towards you guys for the remaining month time. Starting today. Hold on. Yep. Capricorns, let's begin. The Strength, paired up with the World, Eight of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles, the Moon, Page of Cups. Underneath the deck, we do have the King of Wands. Either you or there is a person in your life who's having you on their mind, or maybe it's your energy. There is somebody who is unable to focus on their work and other areas of their life because they are too focused on you right now. Um, it can be your energy towards another person as well, so just pick however it is resonating with you in your situation. But I feel like somebody is really hiding their true emotions and feelings right now, and maybe it's you. Maybe it's like you are hiding your true love feelings for a person, and you're acting as if you're strong, as in maybe you're not having any feelings, or you are trying to basically be a certain way, which you are actually not. Deep down, you do have strong love and emotions for a specific someone, but you are not ready to let go of control. You are, really suppressing your true emotions for someone. Even though I do see that, you know deep down that you have changed towards this person, or you have changed otherwise as well. Maybe you have been through a lot in your love life, and now you have a this boundary around you. You are not letting any person in your life right now, and you are keeping yourself busy with your work, but at the same time you are unable to focus on that as well because you are heavily thinking about somebody in your love life. You do have strong emotion for this person, but you are concealing the feelings, emotions, love that you have for them. It's not going to be an easy thing for you to continue doing so, because I feel like the emotions are like getting deep, and you are not going to be able to control them any further. I do see the love is going to start shouting, like screaming, with the it's not going to be an easy thing for you to suppress the feelings and emotions for this one person any longer. I do see you have been through cycles with this person. Maybe this person is somebody that you have been with. I don't think this person is somebody new. It's or maybe it's your energy. Maybe you are going through some sort of um it might be the case that you are having the flashbacks from the past. You have seen them a certain way, then you have seen them a certain way, and now you are seeing them a different them. So it's very hard for you to believe who is the real them. So that could be the case as well, which is why you are not ready to accept this love offer as of now. You really want them to reveal their true self to you before you could make a move towards them, or maybe before you could accept the love offer that they have for you. So I feel like yes, I do see that either one of you is definitely pretending something, and deep down you have a feeling, deep down they have a feeling, but somebody is not ready to accept the feelings, or to face that yes, there is love, yes, there is something more than what you are pretending to be right now. But I do see things going to change very swiftly for the two of you during the remaining month time. I do see that you won't be able to hold back. Neither the person that you are dealing with is going to be able to hold back. If you are wearing a mask, you are going to take it off. If they are wearing a mask, they are going to take it off. But yes, I do see some positive changes coming for you for the remaining month time. The emotions, the feelings, the love is not going to get like suppressed any longer. Maybe it worked in the past, but not now. There is like some sort of maturity coming from either one of you. I feel like it's not mutual. Somebody is really mature enough to deal with the situation right now in a better way. The other person, it seems like they are still running away from the feelings right now, but eventually everything is going to be like, brought in the light, and shared, expressed, revealed for sure. It's not going to last long. Like, the change is coming for sure in this connection. um the person who has been keeping themselves busy thinking like, nah, I'm good without love. No, you are not, and your emotions are like, just um getting overwhelming here, and it's like, you're not going to be able to hold yourself back any longer. Let's see more cards here. Let's see what else do we have for the Capricorns for the remaining month time. The King of Pentacles, Two of Cups, the World, and Ten of Pentacles. Underneath the deck, we do have the Chariot. I feel like, you both have some sort of a drama going on. It's like, you both are running from the reality right now, and that's the reason why divine intervention is going to help you come closer. Divine intervention is going to bring you two closer, because maybe somebody is definitely, being a certain way, to it's more like, I feel like, you, if this is you who is pretending to be busy with their work and stuff, and they are happy without, love life, and, a person in their love life. If this is you, you are doing this to your person because they have done this to you in the past. So it's more like, you are taking some sort of revenge from your person, but that's not gonna last long, because deep down you both know you both want each other, and deep down the other person could also pick up the vibe that you are, why you are doing this, but they are not going to give up. They are not going to give up on you. And I feel like, some, for some reasons, you also didn't give up on them when they were treating you bad, but they made you to go away. That could be the case for some of you. But whatever the case has been, I do see that, finally, the God is going to come, divine is going to help you two to come together, because you both are being, naughty here. You both are being like, running away from the reality here. So something divine is going to happen, which is going to bring you two together to have the life that you both want, both desire. But right now you're pretending, nah, I'm good about, my life without them. They are pretending the same, you are pretending the same, but deep down you both know that your heart aches for each other. Your heart, cry for each other, because you do have strong love and emotional attachment. For some reasons, maybe in the past you didn't know, but yes, now you know that you are the soulmates. You have a deep sense of that in this connection now. So let's see what the oracle has to add to the reading for you guys. Okay, so we do have this card here. Healthy lifestyle, eat a healthful diet, get adequate sleep, exercise regularly for optimal health. um, for some of you, maybe like I said, where is the card? Yeah, the Chariot here. I did mention that, divine intervention is going to help you come closer. For some reasons, while that, thing happens, um it seems like, for some reason, maybe there are certain things that you need to, or you are working towards, and maybe there are certain things your person is working towards, it's more like, working towards becoming your best versions. And the universe is basically preparing you to be the best versions of yourself, so you could come together to start anew together. So for if you are a cross watcher, or if you are the, Capricorn, and you really want your love life to move forward, it's very important for you to start living a healthy lifestyle. Start adopting the lifestyle that you would be living if you would be living, if you were with your life partner. Start adopting, that kind of habits, and lifestyle that you would have once you are married to your person, once you have your person in your love life. How would you act? How would you be like? Try to, tap into that new you, and that's how everything is going to pace up as well. So let's see one more oracle, and then we're going to take some charms. Nothing will come of the situation. I feel like, whatever you are trying to do right now, ignoring the reality, running away from the reality, it's not going to get you anything, because there is going to be something divinely timed happening in this connection, which is going to bring you two together. So there's no point doing the drama that you both are doing right now. But yeah, maybe that's how it is destined to happen. So let it happen, because I don't think that it is going to last long. Let's take one card for that. How long is it going to take more? Queen of Cups, the Judgment. It's time for you to receive the judgment and have the celebration that you have been waiting for in your love life. So it's high time you receive the love that you have been waiting for. It's just that you are, being a certain way. Again, maybe you want to punish your person to, for doing what they did to you. But whatever the case has been, just let it be and let it go, and accept and let the love in and let the abundance in your life. Let's see what the charms has to add to the reading. So we do have two alphabets, F and N. These could be your name initial of the person that you are dealing with. The love between a grandmother and granddaughter is forever. Either you or your person is so close to their grandmother or grandfather. That could be the case for some of you. Or maybe you do have blessings of your grandmother with you, whether they are, alive or they are not. But their blessings are definitely with you. Me versus me. It's like, I feel like, both are being, a certain way, because it's like, you are having some inner fights right now. And the universe is going to, like I said, maybe it's, you are becoming the better version of yourself by fighting the fears, fighting the, whatever that used to be the block in this connection. And then that's how you are going to come together, as a stronger persons. I do see, like, by the time that next Halloween comes, you will be with this person, and you will be definitely, either married to this person or will be, in a committed relationship with this person for sure. So, yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for the remaining month time. If the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.